What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of RDC, and today we have the Hot Wheels Premium Thrill Climber set. There it is. Let's look at all 5 cars. So there we go, 5 cars in a new set. So we're definitely going to take a look at each one of them, but we're going to start off with the Subaru Impreza WRX. So this one is pretty cool. Probably going to be the most popular one in the set. But let's take a better look at it. All right. So looking at it, it is a nice yellow with 10-spoke gray wheels, bug eye edition, 4-door with the big wang on it. So pretty cool, man. This has been, I think we haven't seen a bug eye since the Cars and Donuts or something like that, or the 22B. So yeah, pretty cool to have the Impreza WRX Thrill Climbers. Definitely will be the hit of the set. All right, number 2. Coming up is the Porsche 914 Safari. So yeah, Safari, the red, white, and blue kind of Rothman style colors there. So let's open it up, take a look, see what we got. So there we go, a little bit better look at it. Oh, got some gas cans in the back, a little full-size spare there, pretty cool. You got nice thick wheels there. The front headlights, 914 on the hood, the Rothman style colors. So yeah, not bad. You know, might not be the most popular car, but I've sold a few of them so far. So not too bad. It's another Porsche to the collection. All right, next one, Mitsubishi Lancia Evolution 6. So there we go, nice red one, guys. Let's crack her open. Because this one is also another popular one in the set. There we go, red with the white stripe on the hood, the two hood scoops there. So yep, Evolution 6 white wheels, big wang. So overall, looks nice, man. Looks nice. You know, this is always a crowd favorite, the Land Evos. So it's nice to have a 6 come in, other than like a 9 or a 10. So yeah, Rally Edition. Thrill Climbers in red. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. All right, next up, what do we got? And it's going to be the Lancia Delta, the S4, man. The S4. So this is another Rally King. This sucker is was like dominant in rally. The Lancia Delta, man. Really, really nice car. Let's take a look at it here. Got the kind of rotoform type wheels, roto blades or whatever, you know, the hatchback. Looks like a Dodge Omni or something like that, but don't be fooled. That is a Lancia Delta. It's a Martini Rally winner, man. The thing was a beast. So yeah, that's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool to have that in the Thrill Climber set. So yeah, iconic car that's going to be overlooked. That's for sure. That's for sure. It's a Lancia Delta S4. So all right, guys, last one on the list is the Mercedes-Benz AMG 6.8. Yeah, 6.8. So let's take a better look at this one, man, because you know, I like this one. I think it looks cool. So it is murdered out black, man. Look at that sucker. Black rims, black wheels, black paint, black windows, black everything. It just looks cool, man. Like it almost looks like the car, only it's not by George Paris. So looks cool, man. Looks cool. I don't even know what else to say about this one, man. I mean, by far, it's my favorite car, man. Nice gloss black with the rally headlights in the front. You know, kind of a weird car to go rally in, but here it is, man. Here it is, you know. Not bad at all. So here we go, guys. Here is the 5 cars. It's the Subaru WRX. Here's the Porsche 914 Safari. We got the Land Evo Evolution 6. And we got Lancia Delta S4. And the Mercedes-Benz 300 6.8 SEL. So there we go, guys. Which one is your favorite? That's going to be the hit. That one's going to be another hit. The other 3 are going to be peg warmers, but, you know, what can we do? What can we do? What's my favorite? That one. Yep. That one is the favorite, guys. The all black. You know, definitely overshadowed, man, but that's definitely the cool one in the set, in my opinion. So there we go, guys. Thanks for watching. Throw a follow up there, and I'll see you next time.